What's up everyone, it's time for your Monday feature. If you've been on the road long enough, I'm sure you've seen plenty of awesome custom rigs with custom sleepers. Ever wonder how they're made? Wonder no more. We've got the answer for you right now. What's up bosses, Carlin here with the Truck Boss Show. We are in Fort Wayne, Indiana today. I am actually sitting across from Bonnie Fielding with Bolt Custom Trucks. And you guys, we've been in the parking lot, we've been out in your garage. You guys do some awesome things, but those who don't know who you guys are and what you guys do, just kind of give us a little background.
So Bolt Custom Trucks has basically been historically the king of the expediter industry. We also do tractor trailers. Just the expediter trucks has been kind of what historically has been more what we've done. So we take a day cab style truck, just about any model of truck, whether it's a Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner. We're even starting to do Western Stars, and we also do Volvos. We start with a day cab style truck and we build a sleeper. We cut out the back of the cab and cut out the roof of the cab, and then our sleeper sits right over top of the roof, so it's an integrated sleeper. We've had crash testing done, pull testing done, and it's very aerodynamic, and we can build just about anything you want.
Awesome. And so what are the benefits, if you will, of having a custom sleeper?
Well, in a factory sleeper, you don't have like a sink. Their microwave or their refrigerators are fairly small. The beds are small. When you go into a custom sleeper, you get a cooktop, a convection microwave oven in most of them. The beds are usually bigger. Some of them even have showers in them, in the sleepers, so you don't have to go fight the truck stops to take a shower. You don't have to pay to take a shower. You're right there in your own little world and not living out of a suitcase. You can actually like live in your truck.
It feels like home.
Yeah. It is home.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So now I'm gonna ask kind of a dreaded, maybe two double-edged sword question. How much is this gonna cost? Because unfortunately nothing's free.
Right.
And of course custom jobs can run a little pricey.
Right.
What are we talking?
So I can tell you the sleeper cost typically starts out around a 96 or 108 inch sleeper is probably going to cost somewhere around, sleeper starts out around $45,000. You add a generator and a rooftop air conditioner to it, you're going to be 60, 65. So, you know, the smaller ones are going to run around 65,000, and we just built a 250 inch sleeper. Ooh. That was an RV, and you know, obviously that one was a lot more money.
I was about to say, you're paying for a little bit extra on that one.
Yeah.
Well, thanks Bonnie. I'm super excited to see these sleepers. Let's go ahead and head outside.
Okay, sounds good.
Here at Bolt Custom Trucks, when we do get a day cabin to tear apart, all we do is like this Freightliner here behind us. What we do is we tear the interior out, we cut the top and the back out, turn it into kind of a convertible, so to speak. We also do all of our own plumbing. So that way, if you're bringing in your own generator or you order your own generator, we can also hook that up as well. This one in particular behind us is ready for the next sleeper to be set on it. So in this next step, all we really do here is after the sleeper is completed on the line, we take it to the truck and we set it on the frame rails. This one behind me actually shows you the process that's already completed. It's already set on the truck. We go through, we bolt it down, get everything squared away. We bodywork it, get transitions put on it. We send it to our paint company in South Whitley, Tech. We get it painted, and then it comes back to us. So here we are at our final stage. At our final stage, it comes back from our South Whitley location, which is Tech, our paint department. And we pull it in the shop. We get all of our finishing touches. This is where it all just kind of comes together. Everything from the production line, anything left over that might be maybe a sink, TV, sound bar, anything like that. Plus any dressings on the outside, any extra stainless you might want on your sleeper, the generator, any kind of hookups that we need to do, we do that after it comes back from paint. So it's all done in this stage. So we'll have to hop inside so we can take a look. So here we are, we're sitting in the sleeper that we are currently working on finishing that just came back from paint. and we're working on all the finishing touches now. Most of the trim is done. There's just a little bit of trim left to do. All the surfaces start to come together. Solid surface countertop. The roof mount TV will be installed. Just several little things. The customer wanted a special kind of sink with a special faucet. We installed that. So all that just kind of comes together, and it really starts to feel like home. And this is where we as builders start to get excited for, especially on the custom side of things, to see it all come together and be finished and then present it to the customer when we're all done.
Well, that'll do it for this segment of the Truck Boss Show. Be sure to tune in on the next one. Well, that does it for today's feature. Be sure to tune in on Monday for the next one.